Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful and simple braid hairstyle right here. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. So before going ahead to use the braiding hair, I'm going to first of all wash the braiding hair. So I put some hot water in my bathtub. So next I add a little bit of shampoo into the water, and next I put all the braiding hair in the water and I let it soak for I let the hair soak for about a couple of minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes I think. So after that I rinsed it out. I rinsed out the shampoo water and let it air dry overnight. I'm just going ahead to comb the hair through to make sure it's tangle free before moving on to the next step. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead to separate the amount of braiding hair extension I need for each braid. I just went ahead and arranged them as you can see right here. So this makes the process easy and also quick. All right, so moving on to my hair, I've already separated into two and also I've already applied my hair products and stretch it out. So as you can see right here, I have the back section and the front section. So for the back section, I'm going to be doing a knotless box braid. Okay, so to start, I'm going ahead to section off the first line for the back, and I'm going to be doing 3 braids on the first line right here. I'm just going ahead to section it off. Okay, just clip the rest away. All right, so next I'm going in with my hair cream and I'm applying that on my hair before going ahead to apply my edge control or edge tamer. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead to apply edge tamer on the roots of my hair, so this will help to keep everything intact. Okay, so to do the knotless box braid, I'm going ahead to start with my own natural hair first before going ahead to add in the braiding hair extension. So for the braiding hair extension, after separating the amount of hair you need for each box braid, you need to re-separate that hair into 2 or into 3. But I went ahead and separated mine into 2. So right now I'm going ahead to add in the first piece of braiding hair after making sure I have a firm grip on the root of my hair. So yeah, I just add it and I'm just going ahead to continue braiding. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to add in the second piece of braiding hair. You want to make sure that the next braid you add on top falls in between the space on the bottom. So this will help to ensure that you have a fuller looking braids without having to use too much hair or without having to do too much braids. Okay, so I'm done with the back section. As you can see, it looks beautiful and neat. So to start, I'm going ahead to add in the edge tamer, and next I'm going to take my hairbrush and brush that through. Also, I've already went ahead and separate the braiding hair extension I'm going to be using for the feed-in braids. So doing the same thing, I'm going to be starting with my own natural hair first before going ahead to add in the braiding hair extension. So for the feed-in cornrows, you want to make sure to start with a little amount of braiding hair and increase the amount of hair you add to it as you braid along. So right here, I'm going in with the first piece. As you can see, it's tiny. So I'm going to be increasing the amount of braiding hair I add to it as I braid along, and also making sure to maintain the size of the braid. So what I did, like I said earlier, take the amount of hair you want for each braid and separate that into how many pieces you want for your feeding braid or for your box braid. Okay, so I braid it all the way to the tip and twist the end to give me the thin finish at the end. So after that, I dip the ends of the braid in hot water off camera, and next I let the braids air dry overnight. Here is the final result and I love it. Love the style. Oh, also I added some beads off camera, so as you can see right here. All right guys, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and also if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.